Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Wilmer's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now this unit does not work, and there is a note with this lamp, and Wilmer's talking about how he tried to get this unit repaired in his area and did not have any luck. There was an attempt to repair this lamp, and a part was installed with the wrong value, and under the right conditions that part could have caused more damage to the circuitry than there already was. We will need to troubleshoot and repair the main PC board. Now there is another issue with the repair attempt. There's a mounting standoff that the plate is attached to with a screw, and that mounting standoff has been melted. We will need to align that mounting standoff so that it will accept the screw that holds on the bottom plate. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy, and you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to an electrical outlet. The circuitry that's associated with this type of animated lamp are pretty delicate, and they're very prone to power surges. It's also a good idea to turn that switch in the off position if Goofy is not going to be used for a long period of time. We have Goofy plugged into an electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and turn on the main power switch. So we'll go ahead and do that. You may see a little flash, and that's normal. It's just an indication that the lamp is plugged in and that the unit is turned on. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the unit on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
And we want to wait a little bit. We do not want to turn the lamp on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Where'd you go?
We'll turn Goofy back on.
Things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn Goofy on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return him to Wilmer and he can enjoy this Goofy lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.